let me ask you a question. Do you like DaVinci Resolve?
Do I ever?
Do you like getting free stuff?
Yes, Mr. Ford.
Well, why don't you show up here next week and we'll learn about DaVinci Resolve and you can win some free stuff and hang out with some awesome people. Okay. ResolveCon, it is just in a few days. It starts Wednesday the 21st from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. We're going to be streaming 14 free live sessions, teaching you the ins and outs of DaVinci Resolve and all kinds of cool tricks and tips and secrets and all of the things that you'd say in a thumbnail. All of it, it's happening. And it's not going to just be me. It's going to be all these amazing people. I handpicked each person to come and teach you Resolve because I know they're the
Best of the best.
and I'm so excited for you to come and experience the goodness. You're gonna learn so much for free. All you have to do is go and register. There's a link down below or right here. You can register for the giveaways and then you can get cool stuff like this micro color panel, as well as we got cameras and other color surfaces and all kinds of software. And I mean, it's just a mountain of stuff. I don't want you to miss that. I don't want you to miss all of the wisdom.
I know Kung Fu. Show me.
So make sure to come and hang out with us, ResolveCon, right here, live streamed on this YouTube channel from Wednesday to Friday. And if you're super cool, you can even sign up for the VIP, which is private exclusive Zoom call sessions that only the VIPs get, with 2 extra days of workshops that's more interactive, a little bit more advanced, and you can ask questions on a video call to the presenter, which is pretty dang sick. So there's a link down below to get VIP tickets if you want. Definitely worth it. The price is going to be a lot more during the event. So if you were thinking about getting it, you should probably pull the trigger and do that right now.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can!
Because they're going to be much more expensive after Wednesday, all right? Because we gotta keep the seat. You know, we gotta make sure everybody has everything they need, and it's a lot of work. But everyone and their mom can come to the worldwide ResolveCon, streamed live here on my YouTube channel for free, Wednesday through Friday. Next week, take those days off of work, get your kids babysat, figure it out, because you do not want to miss this awesome, rad, cool event, and maybe even win some cool stuff. Okay, there's the link. There it is, over there. Bet you thought I was gonna pop in at the end, didn't you?